And this is my life. Your life is gonna be like who you're gonna meet, where you're gonna go. Well, I have the moves and the combinations to get you there. I dare you to move. I dare you to shake it. I dare you to be as hot as you can be. Because this is your life. And it's not every day. You get to live like a star. So join me, and I'm gonna take you through my life. The ups, the downs, and the side to sides. And I hope to inspire you to get out there, shake it, move, groove. You just have to believe in yourself. Oh, and look hot. I'm just kidding. I'm not that shallow. I want you to be yourself and be beautiful. Because you are. I grew up in LA. My father was an abusive alcoholic. My mother was a painter. People say to me a lot, Absidy, you're so strong. You're so... This is me on my way to my first hip hop class. I was only 10 years old. And that's where, for me, things just clicked. Things just exploded. It was like I was on fire, but the fire wasn't real fire. It was like... Basically, when people ask me, Absidy, what is your definition of hip hop? I say it is strong women hopping. And in fact, my studio is called What's the Hip Without the Hop? And that's what I love, because it appeals to the intellectuals, because they're like, what is hip hop? What is it? And I'm like, it's those women. It's me when I had a baby. It's me when I was struggling. That's what it is. You know, I get a lot of people that tell me, how are you so strong? How are you such a good mother? How are you beautiful? How are you sexy and fun and sophisticated? And I tell them, I say, you know what, you can be all those things too. I dare you.
No, I mean, like, I'd say my mom is definitely my biggest inspiration. I mean, like, we have our ups and downs, but in the end, she's always there for me, and I appreciate everything she's done for me. Like, if it weren't for her, I wouldn't be doing hip-hop. I wouldn't have met Kanye, my boyfriend. And, like, the thing about, like, my mom that, like, makes her so inspiring is not just the fact that she had a baby at 8 years old. Like, she is, like, always there for everybody that she's ever known. Like, she drops everything for us. And, like, the thing is, like I find out something new about her, like, every day. Like, I get why you can find her, you know, like, anything that she wants, you buy. I'm getting a text. Yeah. So, I mean, it's just, like, amazing, like, the things she does for people. And even though we fight all the time, like, she's always been there for me. Always.
Sometimes it's a really confusing relationship that we have with Absidy. She really does inspire us for the better. She pretty much saved my teenage years from, like, I was about to get into what they call, like, Fallage. I don't know if you've heard about it, but I heard about it from Tokyo. It's this type of, like, yoga where you hold your bowels until the point of expulsion. And I can't imagine if I wouldn't have heard about hip-hop.
This show song, get on the flow, get on the flow, get on the flow, get on the flow. Some of my ladies with their curves like a bottle. It's a photo shoot, pose like a model.
And moving my body instead of just standing there and oppressing it. Do you know what I'm saying? So pretty much just everything changed after meeting Absidy. I I just learned how to express myself in positive ways, and what else can I say? I'm just really thankful.
That's beautiful.
Thanks.
It's beautiful.
You're my best friend.
You're my sister.
We're sisters.
We're sisters. I know I never said that to you till just now, but like I just decided that
Oh my God.
we're sisters.
I know. I feel like we shared the womb.
Yeah. We're sisters now. It's official. I'm putting it on my Facebook. We're sisters.
The curves like a bottle. It's a photo shoot, pose like a model.
Yeah, it's Kanye here. You know, shout outs to my girl Absidy. She doing the thing in the business. I used to be a dance instructor, but I decided to leave the business. It was for me, but it wasn't for me. It's my baby girl right here. So right there, right there, right there, right there. Took you long enough. Me and Absidy go way back. Like, I was there when she was pregnant with this little one. And I was there to rear her child. Now I'm here to rear her child. This, you know.
Something like Kobe couldn't stop him on your best.